with your picture taking first, then you will be awarding your championship trophy. Mr. Melvin Cruz.
Thank you, Kuya. Thank you po. Thank you. We got this. Shout out to Team Madness for playing their best game. And thank you to all our players that give their time and energy for this. Maraming salamat po. Thank you for their supporters. Hopefully, we will this season 1. Sana magtuloy-tuloy for the next season. We thank you for pillars and we accommodate our Division 1 players para makalaro rin sila. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Melvin.